Hey everybody, I'm Dave with Growing the Home Garden. I thought I'd do something a little different today and show you something I made for my wife. This was actually a bouquet of flowers that I took from the garden. Yesterday was her birthday. I'll refrain from stating the age at this point. And I just want to show you what you can do with your own home garden and how you can put together a really nice arrangement that probably if you were to buy it in a flower shop or something, you're looking at $40 to $60 or so for a bouquet. And you can do it yourself in your yard with your plants and your flowers and your shrubs and your trees. So let me just go ahead and I'll tell you a little bit about this bouquet arrangement that we put together. So here's the arrangement. I used everything from our own yard in different areas. On this particular one I used two types of hydrangeas. This one I believe is Annabelle, which is Hydrangea arborescens. They've got these really big flowers. I mean, that's bigger than a softball size on that. And so I put 3 or 4 of those in. Notice the flower right above it is a black and blue salvia, which I talked about in a video the other day. They are prolific. I would have put more of those in, except they were not all blooming at the same time, and I was trying to find ones that had good blooms all over them. I've also put in, for some foliage, a Japanese dappled willow, that's Salix integra, and those are a shrub that I really enjoy growing in our yard. From the shade garden area, I took some Japanese painted ferns, and I cut some of those leaves. I stripped the bottom leaves off so that the stem would just be in the water and there wouldn't be any leaves in there. But these are really beautiful ferns. And that's just to kind of give it a little bit of green contrast and some, the foliage too is really cool. Now back over here, we've got the oak leaf hydrangeas coming out. I really enjoy my oak leaf hydrangea plants. And that's really about it. There's about 3 of those oak leaf hydrangea flowers in here. There's about the same number of the Hydrangea arborescens. There's just a few stems of the Salix integra, Japanese dappled willow. And then I could have added a few more of those, but there's definitely all kinds of different options you can do when you grow your own plants and flowers and stuff. The key is to kind of mix it up a little bit, like here with the ferny foliage against the florets of the oak leaf hydrangeas and the Hydrangea arborescens. And so that's basically it. It's really easy to do and throw things together. Just try it and experiment. I'm not a big flower person like this, but I thought I'd show you something a little bit different today. And, give it a shot. See what kind of arrangements you can do. There's all kinds of ways you can do it. One thing I was hoping is that these Japanese dappled willow, because they've got a lot of rooting hormones in them, auxins, that they would help keep the rest of the flowers and plants showing longer. So we'll see how that works out. But anyway, I'm Dave with Growing the Home Garden. I hope this was a fun little video for you to watch. If it was, please like and subscribe. Happy to have you along and show you what we do out here in the garden.